Shoulder para ma-feel ninyo to mga anterior deltoid, coracoid, shoulder tension muscle. Okay? Ma-contract yung isometric. Okay? Actively.
Money grade.
Paano mas-assess?
Grade 2 na, miss. Grade 2. Grade 2. Di man ka-active. Grade 1 naman. 1, palpaba. Grade 2, ikatong nalihok. Grade 2.
This is gravity limited. Okay? No manual resistance.
Yeah, makita na.
This is grade 2.
Ah.
Okay? And then you palpate sa katong muscle. Okay, next. So we need to probe here.
Pati ako ba ito'y copy atong kuhan. Okay, na putol. Masuko, nagsamot. Ay, nakamaputol ako. Masuko, nagsamot. Sukaan ko, ganina sukaan. Tara siya. Easy. Yan na.
Casey, shoulder tension. Okay, please see the position. And 210, palpation lang siya. Okay. Next, extension. After shoulder extension, the patient now is in
I'd rather die.
Okay. Patient is in prone position. And then let the
Libre na yung
patient
libro.
look
Una na.
away.
Tada! Di mo. Grade 5, grade 4, grade 3. Naglingkod na. Nada. Ay, di ba? Nada.
Okay? And then try to
Abduction.
apply manual resistance. Very distal. Okay? Sir, try to lift your arm or let the patient lift his arm first. Okay? Sir, try not to let me push it down. Okay? Relax. Muna na ito niya na namuro. Sayon ra.
Masa na, miss? Shoulder.
Shoulder extension. Okay, prone patient and then let the patient raise the arm, okay, off the plate or off the table.
Lagi niya pag emergency daw.
Okay, and then for grade 210, palpate lang class. Katong muscles for
Kung grade
shoulder
3, 4, 5,
extension.
okay.
Okay?
Na-eye resistance. Basta wala ba ako kabasa sa kuan?
Palpate. This one, palpate. Just try to palpate. This is for grade 3. Okay, no manual resistance, wa pa ni unit. Actively done by the patient lang.
So imo lang kuan miss ang muscle ni contract.
Yes. Palpate.
Ang grade 4 miss. Kung palpable na grade 3.
Grade 4 and 5, you apply the manual resistance.
Ah.
Physically.
Then ipalpate.
Or you may
Kung grade 2 ra miss, palpable ra miss, palpation ra.
Tugod sa shoulder. Sabi ni arm. Shoulder. Shoulder yung pumali. Next, shoulder abduction. Okay? So let the patient abduct the shoulder 90 degrees. Okay? And then apply the manual resistance for grade 4 and 5 distally. Okay? Same instruction, sir. Try to raise your elbow and your shoulder at around 90-degree angle and do not let me push it down. Okay? This is for abduction.
Ay, ikaw daw, Debbie.
And then, for gravity eliminated, grade 2.
Grade 2.
Now, for grade 2, one of them. Don't skip meals. Gravity eliminated. Okay, for shoulder abduction.
It
muscles responsible for shoulder abduction. Okay, galaw.
Yes.
Okay? Try to palpate, let the patient contract, okay, through shoulder abduction, and then you palpate. Shoulder.
Unsa ka nang practical quiz?
Practical exam like grade 2 shoulder abduction. So,
Palpate kami.
grade 2,
Sa baton sa dito.
I will let the patient go on and palpate kami.
okay?
Sigurado tayo kayo. Sa na lang.
Sa tira dali.
Muna na sa kuna. Kaya ko mo. Siya mo pa-price.
Ha?
Ang kulibos sila mo na mo ba? Kita daw.
Again, long quiz sa ka, Friday sa
Mana ko grade 5.
Sa ka dali Smith.
Extension.
Now, next, for shoulder external rotation. Okay, so grade 5, patient is in what? Prone position for shoulder internal rotation. Okay, and then abduct the shoulder to 90 degrees. Tapos, okay. Now, for shoulder external internal rotation, use your fingers. Depending how strong your patient is. Pwede palm, pwede fingers. Parehang
Depending how strong pat-pat is.
Pat-pat.
Ikaw.
Now, for shoulder external
One finger.
Okay? So,
Wala gina. Lahiyang page, miss.
alternate na.
Bon! Mataas ba din yung shoulder? Uy.
Sorry. Okay, now, for shoulder, what's this class? What is this position?
External rotation.
Kasi,
Internal rotation.
now, in doing external rotation, okay, sir, try to move your forearm or hand upward. Okay? This is grade 4, grade 5. Okay, up. Sir, not let me
Pat mo stop lagi sa
stabilize, class happy, stabilize the humerus. Why? Some patient can compensate. Okay? Instead na 90 degrees abduction, just for the sake of getting the normal strength, they have to compensate it with their body movement. Okay? You have to stabilize the humerus. Okay? Sir, do not
Stabilize
let
the
me
humerus.
push it down.
Grade 4 na lang.
Grade 4, grade 5. Okay? Down, relax. And then for grade 3, up. Relax. Okay? Now, for grade 2, palpate, return na lang for grade 2.
Palpation na to.
This is for external hand. Now, for internal rotation, okay? So, sir, please try to maintain this position and do not let me push it down.
Internal,
This is grade 4 and grade 5. Okay? Relax.
grade 4 and grade 5.
Again. This is grade 3. Relax. Okay? Kasi di pa bitay ka. Grade 3.
Grade 3, relax.
Relax yan.
Grade 3 relax.
Sige, pag yun. Naman na niya, cellphone ko. Now, this is for grade 2, 1-0. Ipahang lang class, okay? And then the movement is the external and internal rotation lang. Okay, a sort of twisting sa iyong arm. Okay? Sir, try or di gani maglisod mo ka ng command sa patient or kuan just ka nang describe the motion. Sir, just do like this one. Just follow me. Okay? Sir, aniyon, sir. Then balik.
Unsa man ang siya?
This is internal, external rotation. Grade 210.
Grade 210.
Then palpate lang. Try to palpate. Okay? Kung i-contract ka.
Ito ko, oy.
Okay?
Kumuha na natin kami nga, okay, perform your grade 210. Karaan na siya. Di ba ka sa 210?
Sir,
Di ba, sigurado dito, uy, kaya na.
Sir, try to move like this.
Start. Try to move like this. Like that.
Please be firm, son, in giving your instructions. Okay?
Move like this.
Then, pag-sure dahil mura yung binuangan tayo. Okay? So, it twist. At the same time, you palpate the muscle. Ha?
Unsa ang muscle, miss?
Deltoid. Infraspinatus and teres minor.
Pare.
So, ini-practical ng muscle natin.
Thank you.
Miss, manguta na pud ka unsa ang muscle ang ipalpate ana.
Kuha.
Yes.
Wala gid muscle gid butang sir.
Melon ba din maso?
Shoulder, motions of the shoulder, extension, flexion, internal, external rotation. Mga 5.
So, tagaan namin yung umisaan na mix. Ikuha na naman kanan. Normal body
Please get one point.
Iya.